Motherfucker, you're standing on my goddamn property. I do whatever the fuck I want here, son. Take it from me then, boy. If you that fucking badass about it, hand it to you. Fuck you. You ain't handing you, boy. Won't you fucking ask a goddamn question?
Give it to me.
You know. You know.
In the morning, a man in Longview, Texas, was pulled over by the police right in his driveway for speeding, having exceeded the limit by 10 mph. The reason for the police stop was that he had been speeding on a nearby road. The man insisted he was on his private property and refused police intervention, causing the conversation to escalate.
371, show me traffic, Bill Owens and Stonewall.
All right.
Hey, sir. I'm Officer Patrol, Longview Police Department. The reason for the stop is because you're going 50 back there on Bill Owens. Hey, you got your driver's license, proof of insurance? Is this where you live?
You gonna block the road?
Yeah, it's
my
fine.
wife's gonna be home in a minute.
Okay, you have your driver's license?
Well, yeah, but block the road and keep my wife out of the driveway? Is that like a reasonable thing for you to do? Blocking the road?
Okay,
is that a reasonable thing for you to do? To block the road?
You have your driver's license?
Do you see me with my fucking driver's license?
That's a
Do you
credit
not?
card.
Oh, it's a credit card. Well, you got fucking eyes, so you can
Hey,
see yourself
sir.
in the fucking road, can't
Calm
you?
down, sir.
Motherfucker, you're standing on my goddamn property. I do whatever the fuck I want here, son.
370.
Right here.
371. Roll me another one. Okay, can
You
I have
ain't
it?
touching a goddamn thing of mine,
I need to
boy.
see it.
The fuck you do. Take it from me then, boy, if you that fucking badass about it.
Sir, what is
All
your
right,
problem?
then. My fucking problem is you fucking blocking the goddamn road. My wife's coming home.
When asked to present his driver's license and insurance, the man reacted angrily and refused to cooperate with the officers. He repeatedly criticized the police's actions as unreasonable and disrespectful of his personal rights. He held his driver's license in his hand but refused to hand it over.
Handing it to you. Fuck you. You ain't handing you, boy.
Sir, what is your problem?
The fuck is your problem standing in the goddamn driveway? Keep asking me the same dumbass question, motherfucker. I'll keep asking you the same dumbass question. Which one do you want to answer first?
You have
you.
insurance?
Right here.
Okay, you have your insurance? Yes, sir.
Oh, well, hell, won't you fucking ask a goddamn question that's relevant then, you dumb motherfucker? God damn it. Right there.
Okay, can I have it?
No, you ain't handing me
I
a
need to
goddamn
see it.
thing. The f you do, boy. Tell me one more goddamn lie. Lie to me again, bitch.
I need to
Lie
see
to me
it.
one more guy. You see it with your fucking eyeballs, boy.
Give it to me.
You
Run it.
know. You know. The fuck you say. You ain't handing you shit. I have to present it according to state law. Present. That's it. You want to fucking look? Look. You don't? F off.
Sir, I need to run.
Right here, bitch.
I need to
Figure
run.
it the f out, you fucking bald-headed little bitch. Figure it the f out.
Okay, just calm down, sir.
According to Texas traffic law, a driver must surrender their license when requested by the police. However, the man continued to resist, arguing that he only needed to display the license without physically handing
You
it
don't
over.
fucking do your goddamn job. I presented it as you fucking requested. Now you fucking want it or you not, boy?
Can you hand it to me?
No! Did I fucking say I was gonna hand it to you the first fucking time?
Okay, sir.
No, I didn't.
All right.
Well, then what the fuck is wrong with your goddamn hearing, boy? When I said no the first fucking time, you must rape a lot of fucking women, boy, because you don't know what the fuck no means.
What's your driver's license?
Shut the fuck up. Don't answer fucking questions. You want to look at it? You don't? Off.
So you're not-
Figure it the fuck out.
You're not going to give me your
I
driver's
will do whatever the fuck I'm required by the law to do. Look
Stay
at
right
it,
there, sir.
motherfucker. I'm on my goddamn property. You step the fuck back. The fuck's the matter with
What
you?
is your problem?
Motherfucker, you want it or not? Shut the fuck up and look. You keep fucking running your goddamn mouth, you fucking little sawed-off bitch. God, I can't stand fucking pieces of shit, pigs like you. Motherfucker, you blocking a goddamn driveway. You're too fucking stupid to get your piece of shit out of the fucking road. Then you walk up here and you tell me you have to fucking see my goddamn ID in your fucking hand.
All right, sir. Stand right there, all right?
After several requests without cooperation, the officers issued the man a citation for speeding. Though he signed the ticket, the man was visibly upset and maintained a hostile attitude. After signing, he turned his back and walked into his house.
All right, sir.
10 stars and your goddamn gun don't make you a big boy.
Contact number?
No. Don't ever call me.
Okay. Are you employed?
Go yourself.
Is that company or
That's a capital F yourself.
Okay.
Capital F. In case you can't spell either. I know you dumb motherfucker barely got an education.
All right, sir. So today you're going to receive a citation for speeding, going 50 and a 40. I was just checked on my radar while we were moving. The court date is 5/7. 2024 by 1 p.m. Here's all the court information to include the address, the phone number, and the website. I actually need to sign right here where the X is. It's not a mission of guilt. It's just a promise to appear. Go 371. All right, sir.
Now get the off.
Have a better fucking day.
Shit.
After issuing the citation, the officers followed the man into his house, where a minor altercation led to his arrest. This action sparked controversy as under Rodriguez v's. United States police cannot detain or enter a home without a warrant once a citation is completed.
Watch the dogs. They're all elderly. Here, grab dogs. And tell your mom, okay?
Okay.
What's the warrant for, fellas?
Come this way.
What's the warrant for, fellas? Warrant,
I'll
fellas.
tell you in a
Warrant.
second.
Now, you'll tell me right now.
Get up.
What's the warrant for, fellas? What's the warrant for, fellas? Hey, what's that warrant for? I wonder how many times they're going to hear me ask on the body camera when this is going to court. I wonder. Anybody? Anybody?
Around over here.
What's the warrant for, fellas?
Looking after you also tested for evading.
I'm sorry, what?
For evading.
What, motherfucker? You
The
said
warrant.
what the warrant's for, you piece of
Get
shit?
inside the patrol vehicle.
I'm trying, you asshole. You got my arm
Get
twisted
inside the patrol
around.
vehicle.
I'm working on it, you little piece of God damn it. What, your mama not raise you in any manners, or you just as dumb as your goddamn daddy was?
The police may have discovered an outstanding warrant for the man's arrest. If such a warrant existed, their actions could be lawful. However, without a warrant, the officer's actions would violate the man's constitutional rights.
You got anything legal on you? Any weapons or
I don't
anything like
answer
that?
questions.
Step out. Come on.
I'm trying, god damn it. Fucking back works on it. Lucky you.
Turn around.
For me. I don't consent to any search or seizures of my property or person.
Okay. We don't need consent.
The fuck you don't?
You're under arrest, sir.
For what? You haven't told me that
For
yet.
your warrant?
For what warrant,
For evading.
asshole? Evading what, motherfucker? Evading what,
arrest.
motherfucker? Evading what arrest, you piece of Evading what fucking arrest, motherfucker? Which
Sit
one?
down for
For what?
Sit down.
For what? Fuck, what's the arrest for, you piece of monkey shit, motherfucker? Huh? Damn, where you? Is there not a crooked cop in the whole goddamn force at this piece of shit? Because you motherfuckers are kind of the crookedest cocksuckers I've ever met in my life. God damn you, motherfucker.
Let me hit it. You have his driver's license stuff?
There's keys.
From a legal expert's perspective, the police officers involved in this case potentially violated several key constitutional and statutory protections under both U.S. and Texas law. The Fourth Amendment of the U.S. Constitution safeguards individuals against unreasonable searches and seizures, a protection that extends to one's home, as reaffirmed by the U.S. Supreme Court in Peyton v. New York, which prohibits warrantless arrests inside a home unless exigent circumstances or a valid arrest warrant exists. In addition, Texas state law, specifically Chapter 14 of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure, outlines the conditions for warrantless arrests, allowing such actions only for offenses committed in the officer's presence under Section 14.01. In this case, the officers had issued a citation for speeding and lacked new probable cause to pursue the individual into his home, making their actions likely unconstitutional without an arrest warrant or additional justification. Moreover, the officers' actions may also constitute a violation of Texas Penal Code SES 39.03, which addresses official oppression. This statute deems it a criminal offense for a public servant, including police officers, to unlawfully detain or arrest someone, with violations potentially resulting in a class of misdemeanor, punishable by up to 1 year in jail and a $4,000 fine. By extending the detention beyond the traffic stop without new reasonable suspicion, the officers risk exposure to claims of official oppression under this law. It is crucial that law enforcement adhere strictly to procedural laws to safeguard citizens' constitutional rights, as deviations from these legal standards can lead to serious legal and civil consequences. This incident underscores the critical importance of knowing the law and the right to remain silent, a safeguard that can prevent citizens from falling into similar traps. Now let's dive into a striking case where this very knowledge made all the difference. On September 12, 2020, while driving in Castle Rock, Colorado. David was stopped by Officer Watts of the Castle Rock Police Department due to his expired license plate, which had been expired since March. Officer Watts asked David to present his driver's license, vehicle registration, and insurance, documents that he was legally required to provide when requested during a traffic stop.
Hey. Hey. Officer Watts, Castle Rock Police. The reason I stopped you is your license plate expired back in March.
Okay.
So, I can get your driver's license, registration, proof of insurance?
I have no idea where it's at. I'm assuming that's the latest one right there.
Yeah, there's 1 year prior, but it still shows
I don't know. Yeah.
expired.
Maybe this one, I don't know.
Let's see what that one's got. Yeah,
Or
that's
this one.
This, okay, that, not this, and not that.
Whatever works. Okay.
Is the court a good address for you?
I'm sorry?
Court?
That's not mine.
David immediately complied with the request and provided his driver's license and vehicle registration. When Officer Watts asked about the address on the registration, David explained that the car was not registered in his name, so the address did not belong to him.
What's a good address for you?
I'm on body cam. I have a little phrase I use. Officer, I understand your position in this. However, in the advice of counsel, I've been instructed not to answer any questions pursuant to Salinas, Texas, and are required to immediately raise Fifth Amendment protections. I don't answer questions.
Okay, sir, you have been stopped for...
I got it.
For a reason.
You've got my driver's license. We're done.
All right.
Do what you got to do. We're good. I'm actually surprised.
Can I get a phone number from you?
Once again, I don't answer questions. You've got my driver's license. You got it. You got what you need to know.
B-bag?
When the officer asked for more information, David refused to provide his phone number and address, citing the Fifth Amendment and the case Salinas v. Texas. Following advice from his lawyer, Officer Watts appeared displeased and felt that David was intentionally being
Officer, I understand your
uncooperative.
position in this. However, in the advice of counsel, I've been instructed not to any questions pursuant to Salinas versus Texas and are required to immediately raise Fifth Amendment protections. I don't answer questions.
What's
going on? I've dealt with this guy before.
Have you?
Yeah.
Well, he's not wanting to give me any answers, so I'll probably hit him with some obstruction, including an expired
122 vehicle contact.
plate.
Walmart parking lot.
Send him to court. What'd you charge him with?
I didn't charge him with anything last time. He got called in for not wearing a mask at Natural Grocers, and then basically caused a disturbance. And then it was the same thing. He refused to answer any questions. I think if you tell him to do something, he'll do it.
I asked him for his address. He refused to give it to me.
Yeah,
I asked him for his phone number. He refused.
I think if you're like, give me your address, I'll do it. But
Not receiving the desired information, Officer Watts considered charging David with obstruction and called for backup, claiming that David was deliberately refusing to cooperate. Watts discussed with his colleagues the possibility of charging David not only for the expired plates but also for obstructing the investigation by refusing to provide his address and phone number. David decided to take the case to court to contest the charges for the expired plates and obstruction. In court, he won the case because the obstruction charge was not proven, and Colorado law states that the expired license plate offense only applies to the vehicle's owner, while David was not the registered owner of the car. The two cases emphasize the importance of understanding and protecting citizens' rights while encouraging transparent cooperation between the public and law enforcement. Respect for the law is the foundation for building a fair and sustainable society. Hey everyone, what are your thoughts on this situation? Drop your comments below and make sure to subscribe for more engaging and informative content coming your way. Thanks for all your support.